PinkUYT-MSP-Tutorial.com. My user is PinkUniverse66.
On the brink of insanity, what you mad at me for? Not my fault.
This will be the second part of my 3-step tutorial series. Now that you have star coins, you're going to want to spend them on probably everything you see in a clothing store. You'll want to consider coming up with a steady plan so that you can get star coins easily. You'll also want to avoid overspending. To get star coins, you can play games, make movies and get people to watch them, watch other people's movies by spinning the star coin wheel and doing daily quests, and owning and petting pets. You can also get greets from other players. When I first started playing Movie Star Plan about a year ago, I made it a point to explore all the best ways of getting, saving, and spending star coins. I found that the number one way to get star coins is by petting pets and owning pets. What I do is I go to the high scores and I only go to the top 7 players' rooms. You can get 50 star coins out of each room by petting their 10 pets. In total, you'll get 350 star coins. I would just do this once a day. It takes about 5 minutes. As far as saving star coins goes, it's all about consistency. Even if I wasn't online for very long, I would make sure to go to those 7 rooms and get 350 star coins every single day. After a week without spending any star coins, I had 2,450 star coins saved. If you want to build up your star coins, you must be patient. You must log on almost every day, even if you aren't online long, and you must not spend your star coins right away. I know at some point you will have the need to spend star coins. This is where that fancy word budgeting comes in. When I finally had a real system for getting star coins, I set my weekly budget at 1,000 star coins. This means I would pick one day out of the week and buy stuff, but I couldn't spend more than 1,000 star coins. The trick to not overspending is that you don't spend more than you make. Like in real life, if you earn a paycheck and spend it all in one day, you definitely can't save to buy anything else. I'm going to do a little math to show you what I mean. So I know for a fact that in 1 week, you can make 2,450 star coins using my top 7 players method. Let's say you overspend and buy 2,400 star coins worth of clothes. Now you only have 50 star coins left. If you do the same thing next week, you'll only have 100 star coins. You did manage to save some star coins, but not enough to make a real difference. To fix this, instead of spending 2,400 star coins, only spend 1,000. By doing this, not only will your star coins grow exponentially, but you can buy 1,000 star coins worth of stuff every week and not feel bad. If you stay consistent every week and get 2,450 star coins by petting pets and only spending 1,000 star coins, by the next week, you'll have 2,900 star coins saved. And the next week, you'll have 4,350 star coins saved. And it just keeps going up from there. You'll even be able to increase your budget to 2,000 star coins every now and then. Now that you have plenty of star coins at your disposal, start buying your own pets. Having your own pets is perfect for getting star coins. You have to have 10 in your room, and you'll need to level them up, so that you can get 50 star coins like the high level rooms. Each time your pet levels up, you get star coins based on the level they achieve. If they get to level 2, you get 2 star coins. If they get to level 50, you get 50 star coins. This will be a little extra star coins to add to your savings. One last thing you need to know is that every star coin counts. You can earn 20 star coins just by doing daily quests every day. Also, check chat rooms for star coins lying around. It's only 3 star coins, but it does add up. You can also find quiz questions in the chat rooms, and if you get them right, it's worth 10 star coins. I video was helpful for you dolls. Let me know in the comments how many star coins you were able to save. My next tutorial will be all about getting lots of friends, fame, and making your account a complete success. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you all in a few light years. Pinku out. If you are friends with me on Movie Star Planet, please take the time to check out my profile bio, my art books, and my movies. Especially check out my art film movie series, PinkUAFS Perfection. I worked super hard on it, and I have no doubt that you will enjoy it. Thank you.